Hello, fellow green thumbs and garden enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the colorful world of companion planting, a technique that not only maximizes your garden's potential, but also turns it into a thriving ecosystem. So, what is companion planting? Simply put, it's the practice of planting different crops in proximity for pest control, pollination, providing habitat for beneficial creatures, maximizing use of space, and to increase crop productivity. Let's start with some classic companions: tomatoes and basil. Not just great on a plate, but they're perfect partners in the garden too. Basil repels pests like flies and mosquitoes and might even improve the flavor of your tomatoes. Next up, carrots and onions. Planting these together is beneficial because onions will repel the carrot fly. Those pesky critters won't know what hit them. Now, who loves some good corn? Pairing corn with beans and squash is an age-old technique known as the Three Sisters. Here's why it works. The beans climb up the corn stalks while fixing nitrogen in the soil, which is great for feeding that hungry corn. Meanwhile, the squash spreads out at the base, shading out weeds and keeping the soil moist. But companion planting isn't just about pest control and support structures. It's also about beauty. Flowers like marigolds and nasturtiums can be planted among your veggies to add a splash of color while warding off unwanted guests thanks to their strong scents. Before you start pairing, here's a quick tip. Always consider the water, sunlight, and soil needs of your companions. They need to be compatible or they won't thrive together. To wrap up, companion planting can transform your garden into a more productive and beautiful space. It's like creating a little ecosystem where plants live in harmony, supporting each other's growth. So go ahead, experiment with different combinations and see what works best for your garden. Happy gardening, everyone! Let's make our green spaces not only grow but flourish.